I hope you guys are having a lovely day. Welcome back to the Woodworking Dude channel. And today I'm going to make you some molding for door cases. The way I'm going to make you this molding today is by using the router to give it a design, an architectural type design on the molding. So first, let me take you through the steps of what I will do. First, I will downsize the material on the table saw. Then I will take the downsized material onto the router, create the design that I desire, and rub some sandpaper over it. One will be out of Purple Heart, and the next one will be out of treated pine. The method that I'm going to use is the same. The size molding I'm going to use is going to be the same, and I will take you to that right now. This is the lumber that I've selected to use. This is Purple Heart here, and this is the treated pine. So as you can see, I already downsized it into smaller measurements. I have to cut it to the size strips that I desire. So I'm going to take that to the table saw right now. I'm going to cut it at 2 3/4 first. So I set the measurement on the table saw to 2 3/4, and then I will downsize it to 2 1/2. So this is the basic design here. Let's see if I could give you a close-up. So this is the basic design that you're looking for. You can cut this down a little more to make it a little neater, or you can leave it as it is. So just a little sandpaper on this, and this would be the finish of the casing molding. I use the best side of the pine, the best side to give me my finished side. This is the final stage. Just take some medium grit sandpaper. Clean up the edges. The edges. When I go on site, all I have to do is just put in place. I will do a short video of me installing these on site, and we'll show you when I get there. So, see you there. So this is the molding strips installed on the door case, as you can see. This molding has been nailed into hardwood, so therefore I had to use some hardwood nails. So this is it, folks. I'll go back to give you a wider view of the casing. So like and subscribe, share. If you can share, that would help the channel get some momentum. Hope to see you all guys in the future. This is Alex, Woodworking Dude. Hope to see you soon.